House update.
So here's our progress update for tonight. You can see we're starting to get the other side of the form built up, boarded up. It's pretty dark. Take a walk to the other side and see what they've done over there. They're not fast, I will tell you that. It's taken 3 weeks to get, 3 weeks. This is week number 4 now. It's taken them 3 weeks to get to this point. I'll tell you one thing, I'm glad I'm not the one that's paying them hourly, although the rate that I'm paying, I guess I technically am paying them hourly. So, yeah, they're not very fast. I would have expected they would be ready for concrete already, and the way that they're going, it probably won't be next week, maybe the week after before they're ready for concrete. I did order, I mentioned in the last video that I had to order vents for the garage. I got those ordered. On-trac has not shown any tracking that they've picked it up yet, so I have no idea if they're on their way here or not. They're supposed to be delivered tomorrow, so I don't know, we'll see. Magic delivery again. I got a survey from Lowe's today asking about their quality of service and the delivery service, and I said their service was good, but their delivery service sucks. I recommended, they asked for, what I thought they could do to improve their delivery service, and I said to use FedEx or UPS, anybody but On-trac, because they suck. So that's our Monday update. I'll see you tomorrow. Hello everybody, it's Tuesday and I'm a Christmas tree. I'm standing in the part of the house where we will be putting up our Christmas tree. The whole impetus behind us choosing this particular house is because it had the bay window in the living room, and the reason we wanted that bay window in the living room is so that we could have a place to put our Christmas tree at Christmas time. I really love Christmas. My wife really loves Christmas. So it's really important for us to have something that would give us that traditional Christmas feeling, and this is going to be it once it's finally done. As you can see, the progress that was made is pretty good. Looks like the main part of the house is all formed up, but they may be putting another level of form deeper. I'm not sure. The garage, they're waiting on vents again. On-trac once again is late in getting my order to me. I don't know why I expect them to do any better than they do. I hope Lowe's chooses a different shipping company, because On-trac they are not cutting it. They are making Lowe's look bad. So there's our progress for today. Let me give you some more looks at other stuff. Okay, this is what I keep calling the patio, and I don't know why I call it that, because it is going to be our front porch. So I want to see how they're doing this, because I think that they're going to pour the footing and then they're going to come back and pour the rest of the patio afterwards. It's the only thing I can figure, because it's the way that they have it right now. There's no way they can pour the patio unless they're going to leave their braces inside my patio forever, which I don't think they want to do, and I don't think I want them there. The rest of the vents finally showed up, and in keeping with On-trac's track record, they were late again. They weren't as late this time as they were last time. There's only a day late this time, but it wasn't until the day before, let me think here, I think it was the day before I was supposed to receive them that any tracking even showed up online, which is very disappointing. Is really disconcerting to me, because I've got work that needs to get done here, and when the materials that the guys need to do the work isn't here, they go to another job, which means this stands here with nothing happening. And actually, if they're waiting on vents because they need to put the vents in so that they can finish the forming, nothing happens. So anyways, the vents finally arrived. I brought them out here. I believe that, well, I brought it out here on Wednesday, and the crew had taken Wednesday off, and they had taken Thursday off. We went out of town Thursday and Friday. Friday they got out here and put the vents in and finished up, it looks like finished up forming the garage. I believe where we are at now is that we need to put places in for piping and such to go into the house. You know, water, sewer, electric. I think electric goes outside of the foundation. But we're going to need a conduit for telephone. If we decide to get telephone, which probably we won't. Who uses landlines anymore? But we will get a cable, because our local internet company runs their service on cable. And the owner, small town, you get to know everybody. The owner of the cable company had come by and looked at it, and he called me and says, if you want to get cable, you should get them to put a conduit in for me now instead of having to Mickey Mouse it later. So that's what we're going to do. I got to get a hold of my contractor and get him to put that, or allow the cable company to come stick the conduit in place before they do the pour. I think they're ready to do the pour, but I'm not sure. I got to get in contact with them and find out where they're at. It looks like, you know, the garage looks like it's all formed up now. The stem wall forms are all the way around, and you know, like I said, I don't know what else they have to do. I'll give you a quick pan around to see what the finished garage forms look like. Now, you see where they left the gap in the form over there? That is where the people door from the garage to outside is going to be. I'm thinking that they left that there so that they know not to fill that portion of the void in with concrete. I have been waiting for them to put rebar into these pier holes that they have dug. I know that they built them, and I don't know why they haven't put them in yet. Maybe they do that the last minute before the actual pour happens. It's a puzzler for me. So that's this week's house update. If you just discovered the channel and would like to continue watching the progress of this house build, right up here I will put my face. If you click on that, that'll subscribe you to the channel. Down there you can also click on the subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up, let me know that you liked the video. Leave a comment down below to tell me what you think. Thank you for joining me again today, and I will see you next time.